we're just standing by for the crew to start making their way through. Again, the hatch open on Dragon. So hatch open on the station side some time ago. Hatch now open on Dragon. They've got a couple of steps just to prepare Dragon for docked. Its docked configuration. And then we should start to see them make their way through the pressurized mating adapter and into the International Space Station. So continuing to stand by, we can see the AX-1 astronaut still inside Dragon. And we should see them start making their way out momentarily. So Expedition 67 Commander Tom Marshburn making his way down, and there we are. So Aton's to be first one through, followed shortly after by Mark Pathy making his way onto the space station. Looks like just behind him is going to be Larry Connor, the pilot for the AX-1 mission. Now through the hatchway into Node 2. Mark adjusting our camera angle for us. And then making his way out of a spacecraft named Endeavour onto the space station for the second time. No stranger to the orbiting lab, Mike Lopez Alegria. So with the entire AX-1 crew now on board, we're going to spend a couple minutes just getting everybody set up, and then we'll be able to kick off our welcome ceremony.